QB, this angle. Okay. Now remember two theorems. Angle made by a chord with the tangent is equal to the angle made by the chord in the alternate segment. This is what alternate segment theorem. We have done this in video number 71 earlier. Kindly follow that. It's too long for explanation, right? So this angle will be equal to the angle APB, right? That's why, because alternate segments. So next is angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it on the remaining segment of the circle. Means what? This angle AOB is double of angle APB. That's the meaning. At the center, subtended at the center is double that of the angle subtended on the circle, remaining circle, right? So now it's easy. APB equals to BAT, alternate segment theorem. APB equals to BAT, right? Okay. Then AOB equals to 2APB, right? But APB is what? 30 just now. This 30, BAT is 30, so APB is 30. So AOB equals to 2APB, this second theorem. So that is 2 into APB is what? 30, so 60. So AOB is 60 now. Okay. Next, quadrilateral APBQ is a cyclic quadrilateral. Why? What do you mean by cyclic? Cyclic means that quadrilateral whose all the vertices are on the circle. So A is on the circle, P is on the circle, B is on the circle, and Q is on the circle, right? So for any cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles are supplementary. Means what? Angle P will be P plus angle Q will be 180. Q means AQB, right? So angle APB plus angle AQB equals to 180. Why? Opposite angles are supplementary in cyclic. Therefore AQB equals to what? 180 minus APB. APB we already know, 30 degrees. So equals to 150 degrees. So both the angles we got, AOB 60 and AQB is 150. Next, in the given figure, O is the center of the circle. Then angle XOZ is. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.